Assalamu alaikum. In Vision Center, believe one thing, that if you want to make good sound, the thing you have to remember, you don't have to learn all the letters. Some more letters that are important, and if you just change there, so your spoken can be different. This is Fauzia with the Sinfa, who has come here for making some sound with some letters. Sinfa, please, you can start your sound.
The sound of K. By the way, it's K, not K. Okay. A king is flying a kite, and a kind person is trying to be kind like the king in the king's kingdom. And another is, don't kick the candle because it will kindle the kingdom. Sound of Q. By the way, it's Q, not Q. A queen asks two questions to the quick person. Why the quick person quarrel quickly? Now the sound of F. By the way, it's F, not F. A fisherman is fishing on his boat, and me and my favorite friend are enjoying the fishing with fresh minds.